welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be giving you guys a university dorm room tour. I am in my final year of university, and yeah, this is my fifth. Okay, so I've been here for a while, but this is my first time having this specific type of room. I usually stay in a different hostel, but I made subwarden for this hostel, so I should leave in this hostel. And the rooms are very different. I do have a lot of more perks, but I'm gonna show you guys everything that I did. Let's get into it without further ado. When you enter, this is what you see. So usually this door is quite close, but this is the door to my bathroom, and we're gonna see it in a little bit. So this is like the entry view to the hostel room. Then you kind of walk into this area. The other thing I was very intentional about doing this year when it came to my room was setting specific areas for specific tasks, so that when I'm in a particular area, I can just focus on the task aligned to that area. So for example, yeah, this is my desk area. I have my challenge folder. I did finish the 75 hard, but I'm planning on doing another challenge. So I'm gonna do it for 60 days, and this is the board I'm going to be using to track. So when I'm sitting here, I'm thinking about being productive, and I have my school laptop and my keyboards and mouse and everything like that. So this is the area where I'm going to be studying or doing my subwarden duties, hence the telephone. I also have this fake flowers that I had last year when I was in uni before attachment, and they're still alive, you guys. I put water and some marbles in there so that it just makes it a little bit moody. I'm sorry, they're like other people talking outside. These are my paws, and this is my smartwatch, and this is just a cute little accent thing that I put here. So when I'm here, I am focused on school. Then on this corner here, I had extra luggage that couldn't fit in my wardrobe, so I put it here. Then I put my school bag, and this bag is like has my chargers and stuff. This room doesn't have as much space as I had in the previous rooms, so I was very intentional about not having too many things, and also arranging things in a very hidden way so that I don't see mess, right? And then here I have my play laptop and my chessboard. I won a game yesterday, so I'm very happy because I'm always losing games. And then I also have playing cards, sorry. And this is just a bag that I'll take when I'm going out for dates and things like that. And then here I have my nail kits. I've been wanting to learn to do nails for the past, I don't know how many years, okay, since beginning of uni. So this year in my free time, I'm going to try to do nails. At least then I can do my own nails, because I can just seem to pay for my own nails, you know. Then here we have the bed where all the magic happens, people. This is my bed. I still have my white cover that I had last semesters, and then just a pink. I'm going for a pink brown aesthetic on the bed. And then my curtains. We have this curtains provided for by the school, and then I need to clean my windows because they're actually dirty. But this is my view, and I sleep on the second floor, so like I'm really high up, and I really like it, to be honest. It's not a view property, so like it's not like an essential view, but the lighting is crazy in this room. That side is my roommate's side, so we're not gonna tour that. Here I have my vanity beauty area. So when I'm getting ready, I know I'm just sitting here and getting ready. And when I'm getting ready also, I'm looking at my vision board and seeing, because if you make a vision board and then you dump it somewhere and you don't look at it, you kind of forget what you had planned and you lose track of your goals. But then if it's somewhere where you're going to see every day, you're going to be more intentional about accomplishing your goals, right? Then here I just have some planting that I got tons and tons ago, semesters ago. I have my perfume from never mind, we're not kidding where this is from. This powder is already so used up. This is the Black Opal cream powders. Then I have some glasses. I don't have a lot, so these are the only things I have. And I also have like a bracelet and a ring and my concealers. honestly guys, I was doing pretty things. Okay, oh, why can't you just sit? Okay, then I have some smoke perfume. My friend from home makes perfumes, and then she gave me this, and they smell so good, so I use that. I have some lipsticks, some eye masks, Vaseline, powders, deodorants, and makeup collections. Here I have my mascara. I don't have like a makeup collection, I just have things that I use. Then in here I make other like my eye stuff, like eye pencils, like pink pencils and stuff like that. Then this is my carry bag. It's a video I made on this channel on like feminine things you should do, and one of the traits was to have like a bag where anywhere you go you have like tissues, pads and things like that, just you're always prepared. So this is my bag for that. And since I'm like mostly at school these days, like taking in the part ones and stuff, I'm not going out, but this is the bag. So when I go out I just get the bag and I'm always prepared essentially. Then here I have my other lotions and cosmetics, and also have like my eyeshadow palette. But this is like my getting ready area, I'm sorry. Then down there I have like, again I told you I didn't have any space, so I had to make do with what I could. I have my paper sheets in here for school, and like some books and stuff for school in here. This is in this like gift bag, and there's like my box file for school, my pencil case, and this is my, I want to say my quiet time bag, but it just has my, it just has like my reading tablet, my 2 Bibles, my Bible journal, my calendar, more journals and planning things. And then I also want to start reading in the evening, so I've just some books, my favorite non-fictional books that I'm reading. This, if you've watched the series, I prefer the book. I'm joking. Then I also have like my battle cards and my little journals and stuff. I also have a hymn book, guys. Do I go back to AFM or do I find another church? This is my prayer folder where I have all my prayers. And then, oh sorry, I forgot. On the bed, we have like this. This is a diffuser, but I broke the stand. Hold on, I want to open it properly. Hold on. I broke the stand, so I'm putting my mints in there. I am obsessed with having mints. Like, I love mints, especially when you have mints with maputi. Those are my snacks. Like that combination, that's my snack. Okay. Then I have more marbles and a flower for my birthday cake when I turn 23, and then I put in here. Then I also have like some oils that I was supposed to put in the diffuser before it broke, and some room spray. I always use this one. And then I also have this, was on like a keychain thing, but it's no longer there. Moving on to the wardrobe. So my roommate brought this dumbbells, and that's what I've been using to strength train. Hopefully she doesn't go, because she'll go with her dumbbells. Anyway, this is my wardrobe. This was like my little tricky situation with keeping this organized, but I just arranged everything honestly according to aesthetics. Has no order or color organization or anything. Gowns, jackets, dresses, and like heavier stuff, and also pants. Most of my pants are dirty because it is a Friday, so I do need to do laundry. But yeah, this is everything I have. This clothes, and then under here I put garments, and I put my undergarments in like this plastics so that they are separated. I have caps, more hats and stuff, and then also like my gloves and muffs and things like that. Then in here I keep all my scrunchies, and then back there I keep like tripod things. I don't know if you guys can tell. Then here, how I organize my clothes, these are workout bras. Yeah, workout bras. These are workout tights and tennis skirts. I combine them. Again, it is a Friday, so most of it is in laundry. Here are pajamas. Here are workout shirts. Here are tiny crop tops, tight hanging shirts. Here are shirts and shirts, like proper tops and shirts. And then back there we have skirts, and I'm gonna probably buy more clothes. And then here I have my kirtle. This is like a cup, and then I just put my chocolate coated biscuits, guys. About me, okay? If you want to give me a gift, if you love me and you want to give me a gift and you don't know what to get for me, okay, buy me chocolate. You will never go wrong with chocolate. Actually, love chocolate so much, and it's like my guilty pleasure. So I bought some chocolate coated biscuits and I put them in here. This had some biscuits and stuff that I got for my birthday, but then they're obviously finished. So I put cereal. Oh my god, I'm sorry. So I put cereal so that what did I say? I portion control when I'm like filling it in the bowl. Then that is my like caffeine lunch. I have some, let's do this. Oh, also guys, don't mind my hands. I just feel so concerned about my hands because I feel like I have ugly hands. But anyway, this are my Kerry coffees. This is Milo. This is actual Jacob's coffee. Sorry. And these are green teas. I have milk kits, another guilty pleasure of mine. In here I put berries. I do need to get fruits. These are the only fruits I'm left with. My mug, my other coffee, guys. This is bad. I have tea, another tea. In here, and other things that I got for my birthday. It was like a thing, and then I just put milk in here. Then this sauce, guys, I'm gonna put you on this steer sauce, okay? Like absolutely amazing. And I have dining food these days, and sometimes, you know, you just need to put a little bit extra flavor in there. Absolutely amazing. Here is my chili. Here are some lunch boxes and cups and stuff. And then in here, hold on, I want to open this. I put my seeds and nuts and things like that. When I have my cereal or yogurt, when I get it, I have my Zoe orange crush, because this is the best juice. Prove me wrong. This is literally the best juice you can ever have. And then here and there are my putty, because I did tell you guys I'm obsessed with my putty, right? I did warn you guys. That's literally the only snacks I have, because now that I'm sub-warden, I have lunch and dinner catered for by the school, and obviously when you're at my uni, breakfast is catered for when you're in residency. So this is now my bathroom. This is an in-suite. It's in our bedroom, so we only use it just us two, which is amazing for, you know, a government institution. And you guys can see everything is so neat. These are our towel racks where we keep our towels. This is like where I have my pegs and extra toothbrushes and gloves when they're dry, my face towel, body towel, drying towel. This is my laundry basket, and I need to do laundry. As you guys can see, it's filled to the brim. Not really. This is a mat I got from my friend Tiff. I love the girl. Then you guys, okay, and then I have this hand soap. I've had it for years actually. Still not finished. We do get like detergents provided for, which I think is amazing. And then also I made this like hand spray for my hairspray for my curls. If you want to know the recipe, I'll put you on in another video. I have my toothbrush. I don't know about putting my toothbrush in the toilet, but I think it's very convenient, so it's in there. Sometimes I do put it upside down. This is like my face wash machine, and then I have the extensions in there. And then I also have my hands are so nasty. And then I have my face soap, and then here I have my body soap, my body shower, and in here I put surf. I have my workout mat, my praying mat, which I no longer use. I don't know why, because guys, okay, I wanted to have the whole aesthetic of having like a prayer mat where you pray in, but I was always so uncomfortable, and I was like, you know what, God will hear me through my heart, not where I am at essentially. So I just quit. I don't know what I'm gonna be using this mat for. Probably like on the weekends when I want to go outside. I don't know, guys. I don't know what I'm gonna use the mat for, but I have it, right? And then I have Stay Soft here. These are my shoes that I brought. This is like my shoe collection that I bought. Just have some Crocs, morning shoes, I want to say, my Tom Ford sleepers, Louis Vuitton slides, Fendi sleepers, I don't know any of these brands, basic brands shops. My new boots, my big sissy. Got my workout shoes. They are hideous. They are worn out. So I'm not even gonna show you guys. Got my boots, some like formal slops, and then some wedges as well, and also like some more slops for day wear and all those things. You guys, you can tell that the girl likes boots, okay? My favorite type of shoe is a boot. I'm not a heel girl, I'm not a sneaker girl, I'm a boot girl. Then I have my tennis racket. I do need a better brand for tennis, I think. And then I have my tennis board that I got from Tino, who was like my tennis partner. But yeah, you know, he had to leave for attachment. Here's my workout mat. This thing, love of my life. And then also skipping rope. I've been falling in love with skipping, but to me, no cardio can replace running. No cardio, none. So I still run, and I do skip 3 times a week. Then my buckets for in case the water in the shower is not coming, or I want to do laundry. Then here I have my speaker. I think it's also an alarm. I got this from my mom, Stoller for my mom. But yeah, guys, that is my room. Everything. Final walkthrough. I don't know, I keep showing you guys the bathroom. It's not like it's a cute little space, but my favorite thing of this whole room is the light. Like the way the light just shines in, you guys. Therapy. Absolute therapy, okay? I feel at ease. But I'm so excited for this year. I'm so excited to document. I made a pledge that every week I'll post something, okay? Especially related to my university days, because this is the last, okay? And if you enjoyed this video, if you have any ideas, I didn't put anything on the walls this year. I usually put like lights, posters and things, but I genuinely don't want to ruin the school's walls, so I'm not doing any of that. So if you have any other ideas on how to make this room a little bit more cozier, I love it as it is right now, but I'm always open to changing it and swifting it around. Please let me know in the comment section. I forgot to show you guys, but we have a full-length mirror in the bathroom, which is amazing for body checks, fit checks, private pictures. I'm joking. I'm joking on the last one, but then yeah, guys, this is it. Yeah, with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.